Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design a jungle safari themed cupcake stand. As it was a safari themed party, made the cupcake stand in such a way that it could accommodate animals and look somewhat like a forest. So here's what you need. You need one empty tissue box, two yogurt boxes, empty yogurt boxes, 3 lids of cookie boxes, and this paper bag, which is usually a carry-out paper bag from McDonald's, KFC, etc. You need to cover all of this using the paper bag as shown. Ensure that the logo falls in the inside so that it gets covered in total brown. Here's how you do it. So we have covered everything with brown paper. Now you need to take color paper, draw a circle, cut in circle shape. So I'll be using 3 colors, green, yellow and orange. We place it inside these cookie box covers. We need to stick them inside. So now we have stuck them inside with the glue. Use this yogurt box and place this cookie box cover like this, so it forms like a tree trunk. Do this with another yogurt box. Also with the tissue box. This way we have one tall and 2 short kind of tree trunks. Now let us make grass and tree to be placed on these tree trunks. Use green chart paper and just draw grass randomly. Cut in shape and we have a simple grass ready. Take green chart paper and draw the leaves of the tree as shown, or palm of the tree. cut this in shape. Take brown chart paper and just roll it. Stick the sides with the cello tape. Stick this trunk to the palm of the tree as shown. You can use sellotape or glue to do this. Sellotape would be easier. We have a simple tree ready. Place it on these pre-made trunks as shown. You can use glue gun to stick them. And we have this beautiful craft ready, which looks like a log of wood or tree trunk with grass and a beautiful tree. Now take a rectangular cardboard covered with white paper. This rectangular cardboard piece should be big enough to hold the cupcake stand and the tree trunks. I'll be showing you how to make a cupcake stand. Here's what you need. You need a cardboard cut in a rectangular shape, 2 empty cookie boxes and gift paper. You need to cover all of this with the gift paper as shown. Cover the cookie boxes also with gift wrapper as shown. Now stick the 2 cookie boxes on the cardboard as shown using glue gun. Using glue gun will ensure that the cookie boxes stay intact. Once you have stuck the cookie boxes, keep some weight and allow it to stay for some time. This way it will be stuck intact. Now your simple and easy cupcake stand is ready. Place the cupcake stand on this rectangular cardboard piece. Once you're done placing the cupcake stand, stick these tree trunks previously made on this as shown. You can color the white paper a little green to give it a grass effect. Decorate with animals. You can place toy animals on this stand and decorate them with cupcakes. So here you have your beautiful safari themed cupcake stand ready. So this way you can design your own cupcake stand for a birthday party, and kids will surely love this one. Especially they would love to have a cupcake stand decorated like a forest and with animals. Hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.